Real estate technology is a dangerous venture to invest in. Many don't realize how complex international real estate software is and the impact self-development will have on their business. Their focus gets pulled away from their core business and revenues drop. They delegate tasks to employees and their core business suffers. Their costs for technology keep getting higher and higher. Worst of all, their technology is not great. When you look at a professional technology partner like PropTech with their REP real estate platform, you quickly see how deep and complex a lead-to-close system is and why it makes sense to work with a proven technology partner. Just like choosing a real estate franchise makes more sense than starting your own brand. Choosing proven technology like PropTech's REP means you don't have to waste time, energy, and money trying to reinvent the wheel. The REP technology tools work anywhere, on any device, letting your offices and agents do what they do best, real estate. REP provides them a multilingual, multi-currency system with CRM, marketing tools, listing management, websites, portal integration, and so much more. Best of all, it lets everyone in your company focus on their core strengths, real estate. As a successful owner of a regional, international real estate franchise with hundreds of agents, you may think you will have the same success developing technology. But remember why you chose a real estate franchise. You chose a franchise because it meant so much of the groundbreaking work in your business is already done, letting you focus on what you're great at, the real estate business. Make the same wise decision with technology. Choose the Real Estate Platform by PropTech.